We've got to build connections, and that's tough sometimes with our kids with special needs. So again, we've got to meet them where they are. Be attuned to what it is that they need. Read their nonverbal language. Okay? Watch this.
Walter, we're going to have to fix it.
He's saying, do it.
That one's broken. You know what? All right.
Watch what he does.
Do it again. Tell me. Oh, okay.
She said, tell me. And he went, okay. Right? Right? And so watching them, and I love it that she said, tell me. He can't talk, but he said, here. So they communicate in different ways, and we've got to be there and be present so we're ready to put words to what they're saying, right? When you've got children that struggle with making eye contact with you, you can always start off with stuffed animals. That's why we have Bailey Bear with big eyes. So they could do a I love you ritual with stuffed animals. See this? So they're doing Humpty Dumpty, and they're starting with the stuffed animals first.